How to fix QR code not scanning in iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix QR codes not scanning in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you guys might want to do is check the settings. Open up your settings. After you're on your settings, go to camera, tap on camera right here, and on camera you'll see this scan QR codes option. Make sure that this is toggled on. After you've toggled it on, if not, you can just turn it off and then turn it back on as well. After that, check if the QR code is scanning or not. If not, try to clear out your lens. Just use a soft cloth and clean it out. And after you do that, you might want to restart your device as well. After restarting, your problem will get fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.